Good morning, the travel lovers. So we're starting our day with breakfast. We're just about to go to the old downtown in here in Las Vegas and find some breaky place down the strip. And then later we're gonna jump into the car and drive to Hoover Dam and also Grand Canyon. So we have a full day full of adventure.
Good morning. 9,982 calories. Oh my god. And look at this. Wrapped in bacon. I can't believe. It says send hate mail to, look.
Send hate mail to, yeah.
Actually weigh yourself here.
Shall I go weigh?
Yeah, go weigh yourself, yeah. I don't know. You're so skinny, honey, I won't worry about it. So it's 11 AM. These are cocktails. Cheers. Such nice food. Look at Justina's sandwich. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god. They don't do that in UK, do they?
Oh my god. That is literally two of you. What is in it?
Turkey.
Oh wow.
Bacon. Lettuce. Tomatoes.
Oh wow.
Cheese.
Oh, it looks delicious though. Keep going. That's right.
That's right. Same car.
Want to check out the bridge. There's the bridge. Here's the dam.
Here's the dam, guys.
Oh wow. It is massive. I think when I look over the dam I'm going to be sick. So look, Justina, look. The dam literally crosses over 2 states, Nevada and Arizona.
There we go.
Be safe, be cool, be safe. Why don't you look like that, Justina?
Wow, that's crazy.
Okay, so this side that we're on now is Nevada, and over that side is Arizona, and behind me is the Colorado River. Amazing.
And on your right?
On my right is, oh yeah, Hoover Dam, yeah. How tall is this then?
I don't know.
You're just reading the boards.
Down in the dam.
Bless you. You literally sneezed as you entered Arizona.
Yeah? Are we here now in Arizona?
We're in Arizona now, yeah. How do you feel?
Great, I've been to 4 states.
That's right. What are those states?
New York, Nevada, Arizona, and California.
Oh yeah. Ice cream. We've been here for about an hour taking pictures. You can do tours here, but we decided to walk because that was enough for us. but tours are like $15 and you can go inside the dam itself, and parking was $10. So we paid $10 and we've had an amazing time. The views are amazing, and this ice cream is also so amazing. It's helping Justine's poorly throat.
Yeah, I've been ill since we left Canada.
And after these ice creams, we're going to Grand Canyon. So cannot wait. We'll see you there.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay guys, so we put Grand Canyon into Google Maps.
So bumpy.
It says that we got 7 minutes left, but I think it's taken us to the middle of nowhere. No signs to say that this is the way to Grand Canyon.
No sign. There hasn't been signs for the past half an hour. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna be in the middle of nowhere.
How fun. We're still lost, but these views are priceless.
Look, there's people there.
We've just parked up at Grand Canyon. So this is not Grand Canyon because we just asked someone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this here is Grand Wash Cliffs, and this view is just amazing. Well, we're looking for Grand Canyon.
Yeah, it's behind that.
It's behind here. That's Grand Canyon behind there.
Down there, the Colorado River comes out. That's
Oh,
where the
right.
rafting tours are picked up.
Ah, okay. So how do we get there, and are we too late?
I don't think you're too late.
No?
I think if you, I don't know what they told you, if you head back into town, there's a sign for the Grand Canyon Skywalk.
Okay.
And that brings you onto reservation land, but it's still the Grand Canyon.
Right, okay. And is it closed already, the Skywalk?
I have no clue. The lady to ask would be our geology teacher. She's over there.
Those guys are on a geology trip, and yeah, they confirmed that this is not Grand Canyon, and they said loads of people have come down here in the search for the Grand Canyon, but it's actually behind these mountains here. So yeah.
Well, I think it's Google's fault because
It is Google's fault.
it did take us here, so
We followed some signs that said Grand Canyon's this way, and then I don't know what happened. We got lost again. There was no signs.
we had to turn round back into the main road again.
And then we went on this dirt track, as you saw, and yeah, maybe it's probably best to just camp out here with these guys on their geology trip. So the time is 5:45 right now. Do you think we're going to see Grand Canyon today?
No.
I feel that way because we keep getting lost. I don't know what to do. What should we do?
Drive back to Vegas.
Maybe. I'm gonna ask that woman over there.
You're on, you go back from here all the way back to the big road from Hoover Dam,
Yeah,
the big highway, and you turn left on it so you're going south.
yeah.
And that will take you to Kingman. And you stay on Route 40
Right,
until
okay.
you get to Williams.
Williams.
Williams is the town, and by then the signs for Grand Canyon are crazy.
Oh, really?
Go here, it says.
Okay.
And you'll turn left.
Right.
A route that I can't remember, but it's the only one.
Okay.
So you'll get there.
You're right, Justina? She was so super helpful. Yeah, we've got this whole thing wrong. Grand Canyon lifestyle, yeah.
So what's right? What's right?
Okay, so we are in the West Rim,
Yeah.
and the only way to visit that is at the Skywalk,
Oh.
which is the signs we should have followed. There's no other way to see the Grand Canyon but that, because it's a reservation.
Okay.
So she said the best place to go is the south, which is a very, very long way. I think that's 5 hours away, but I need to check. So she said today's probably too late to go to see that. It's
Skywalk is
very, very far for South, and Skywalk is closed, and it's expensive, the Skywalk.
Okay.
And she said the north is closed for winter, so it's snow, you will not get in.
Okay.
And the east is like probably 2 states away from us right now.
Oh.
So the only other option is to come back tomorrow to the west, to the skywalk.
But then pay about $80 plus.
I think it's $80. I need to check. It's money anyway. Or to go to the south tomorrow, but I have no idea how far it is.
About 5 hours one way.
About that, I'm not sure. So should we go to Vegas? Honestly, we're meant to be adventurous. I suppose this is adventure, isn't it? It is adventure, but yeah, oh my god, it's so confusing. This is why in Vegas, every single leaflet at the hotel offers Grand Canyon tours, because you're just gonna get lost otherwise. So learn from our advice. Go to the South Rim and also go to the West Rim, which we are at now, but pay to go to the Skywalk. If you're on the other side, like on the east somewhere, like it's too far from Las Vegas, go to the east. But that lady was a geologist and she said the south is the most beautiful part of Grand Canyon, and I'm gonna trust her. So learn from our mistakes, and time to come in.
Vegas.
Time to go to Vegas. Oh my god. What the hell was that? Oh wow, it's all lit up at night. So different to earlier when we walked down here. Oh wow, wow. So cool, isn't it? Okay guys, we're going to say goodbye now. Today has been full of adventure, to say the least. We are with our friends, as you can see behind us, We're still at downtown Las Vegas, down at Fremont, and yeah, summary of today. This video is how not to go to Grand Canyon, but we really hope that we showed you or advised you of what to do if you ever want to come. But thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have, like and share with your friends. Justina, have you got anything to say? She's still got a sore throat, so she's not talking that much.
I can't talk.
Listen to that croaky throat.
But as always, guys, cheers to freedom.
Cheers to freedom. See you tomorrow.
Woohoo!